Well, I've got some breaking news first thing Monday morning for you this beautiful week. Something I've just come across on YouTube that I haven't seen announced anywhere. So I'm going to drop the lowdown, the breaking news for you. And it's all to do with shorts. Before you turn off, it's to do with vertical thumbnails on desktop. So let me walk you through what I just discovered. First of all, I'm sitting here, as you can see, creating some clips in Opus Clip, and I was just getting ready to go and started uploading the first video to YouTube because I like to do it manually on desktop. Everything else I let schedule. Thank you, Opus. If you want to check out Opus, link below. So I've got to jump over to my desktop, my dashboard. Yeah, I just hit 12K yesterday, by the way. So I'm going in and I'm doing the whole upload flow. Now, I don't have anything to upload right now, but if I was to do that and it detected a short, then it would give me something new. But what I can do is go and show you, if I go into shorts and just pick a recent video. Let's look at the one I actually uploaded, which is this one here. So let's just go into details. Now, the first thing you'll notice right now is because it's showing me an actual short in vertical format. Before, it would just show you like in a horizontal format with it cropped on this screen. This is the first thing that caught my eye. It didn't twig until I scrolled down what we're looking at here. Okay, thumbnail. Set a thumbnail that stands out and draws the viewer's attention. As you can see, it's vertical. Now on screen, I'm showing you what I saw in the upload flow, where I have two vertical options. One's to add a custom and the other one is to pick a frame. Now when you pick a frame, now I've just picked a frame for this one. When you pick a frame, you get three choices just like desktop. Unlike if you're on a mobile phone, you could scroll through and find the exact frame out of the entire short. But here, we can at least now not only pick a frame that's vertical, we can also add a custom thumbnail. So I can technically go in now, click the three dots and upload a file. I could reselect because I've obviously picked it from a frame. But let's just say I wanted to upload a vertical thumbnail. I can click on that. I can go and find one that I just created for this purpose. And you can see it is now uploading my new thumbnail saying vertical thumbnails on desktop. That's not what my video is about, but this is the demo thumbnail for this tutorial. And you can see now it's attached that. So I can go up and click save, and that will save that. I can click that because this hasn't gone live yet. You can see changes saved. You can see over in this old view, you still got the old view here. But if I scroll up here, you've got the new view, the vertical view. If I jump back out here, you can see it's here as well. All ready to go. Now I've got this scheduled for tomorrow, so that's fine. This short's coming out after this video. So let's jump into maybe some of the things we need to know, what I've discovered so far. If you've got any questions that I don't happen to cover, then drop them in the comments, because I'm going to be investigating further to get more details, because I'm sure there's going to be more details to come out about this. Now you can see here, I've just gone back to that video. I've gone into the settings. That I've got a different set of options here now when I click the three-dot menu. I can change it again to a different thumbnail, of course. Makes sense. I can download that thumbnail now. The other one I couldn't download before because it was a selected from video. Or I go back and select one from the video, which... looking at that option, of course, it gives you three choices just like long form video does. So what I originally did, I think I picked that one there just to start off with. So you got the two options, picking a frame or uploading an actual fully customized thumbnail. So the feature that Mr. Beast has had for a while, it seems to be rolling out to all of us. No news on who's going to get that and when, but it appears to be it's going to be a global change. So if you are uploading a short from desktop, you will have this option at some point when it was activated on your channel. Just like having custom thumbnails, it would be the same rules in terms of the eligibility, in terms of the feature list, which I think you need to be verified channel, which I think is intermediate. Okay, so what do we need to know? First of all, you can do 4K. So, but in a 9:16 instead of 16:9 format. So it works out as 2160 by 3840. And that's what I did to create this thumbnail real quick that I did as a manual one. But I'm going back to lock in the thumbnail that I actually picked for this short right now. Now, there's not too much in the where you click learn more here and go in. It takes you to just the general add custom thumbnails on YouTube. There's nothing here that speaks specifically to vertical videos in terms of anything new. We learn more from the one I just showed you. So what do you think? Breaking news. There's nothing yet that I've heard from YouTube directly that says, hey, we're doing this, but there might be a video from Creator Insider later this week from our friend Renee Ritchie, the creator liaison. So be on the lookout for that. Any more news I will be disseminating either on my Saturday live show, my Saturday YouTube creator news. It's also available on podcast, and I do have it in the show format now as well. Or I'll post it on the socials. So let me know if you've got any questions, any thoughts. Are you happy, or you don't care because you do it on your phone? Let me know. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.